Cogent AI is one of the newest players in the AI software space, and if you're wondering whether it lives up to the hype, you're in the right place. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Cogent AI. So if you're considering this software, or just curious about its capabilities, make sure to stick around because by the end, you'll know whether it's worth your time. And if you're ready to dive in now, check the first link in the description for a completely free trial. First, let's talk about what Cogent AI is designed for. This software is built to enhance productivity by integrating machine learning and natural language processing. Whether you're handling customer service tasks, data analysis, or content creation, Cogent AI adapts to your needs with impressive speed and accuracy. The software leverages state-of-the-art algorithms, which means you don't have to worry about it being outdated or slow to catch up with new trends. Now, one of the most important features of Cogent AI is its versatility. Unlike other tools that specialize in just one area, Cogent AI offers a broad range of applications. From automating repetitive tasks to providing deep insights into customer behavior, it's a multifunctional tool that can scale with your business. Whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise, Cogent AI can be customized to fit your needs. In terms of ease of use, Cogent AI stands out. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. There's a minimal learning curve, so you can quickly get up to speed and start leveraging its features. This is crucial when you're working on tight deadlines and need a tool that doesn't waste your time. The setup process is streamlined, and you'll find that even advanced features are just a few clicks away. But what really sets Cogent AI apart is its integration capabilities. It easily syncs with the tools you already use, from CRM platforms to email marketing software. This makes it incredibly easy to incorporate AI into your existing workflow without major disruptions. It can also handle multiple platforms simultaneously, so you can manage all your operations from one central hub. Another crucial aspect of Cogent AI is its machine learning model. It continuously improves based on the data it processes. That means, over time, it gets even better at understanding your business needs and providing more accurate insights. This self-learning ability is something you don't find in every AI tool, and it's a huge plus when it comes to long-term growth. Now, let's talk about the support system. Cogent AI offers 24/7 customer support, which is essential for businesses that rely on seamless operations. Their team is responsive and knowledgeable, making troubleshooting a breeze if you run into any issues. Plus, they provide in-depth tutorials and guides to help you get the most out of the software. Finally, pricing. Cogent AI offers competitive pricing, and you'll get a free trial to test everything out. This is a huge bonus because it means you can make sure the software is a good fit before committing to a plan. Given its wide range of features and top-notch customer support, Cogent AI offers great value for businesses looking to invest in AI. So, if you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use, and effective AI solution, Cogent AI is definitely worth considering. And remember, you can try it for free from the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of the best AI software that I trust, which you can check out in the description as well. Don't miss out on this chance to try out Cogent AI for free.